Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can disable or stop unknown person which are not in your contact list. You can stop them from calling you on your WhatsApp. So what you need to do for that is go to your settings, and from there go to privacy, and after that scroll down and you will find this calls option. Just tap here once, and as you can see it says silent unknown callers. So if you tap this, so if you enable this button, no one will able to call you which are not in your contact list. For example, if a unknown person calls you on WhatsApp, they won't be able to. So only you will get a notification, but they won't be able to bother you. So yeah, that's how you silent an unknown caller or disable people which are out of your contact list from